All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is the Heyday earbuds. And I'm going to tell y'all right now, I've already opened it up. I've already tested these out, and they are very good. The sound quality is good. The mic is definitely good. And actually, I'm about to test it out right now. But first, I want to read this. It says Heyday up here. These are the earbuds. It look like that. I was buying so many of them earbuds without this little thing that you wrap around the ear, this rubber piece, and I've lost a lot of them. Y'all seen some of the other videos I've done. I've lost a lot of them earbuds. So I said, you know what, then I'm gonna decide to get this. It got a good mic on it, and boy, the mic is very quiet, and y'all gonna see a difference. It says it's 33 feet Bluetooth range. I haven't had any like troubles with the range. That's good. High quality sound range up here. That's what it says. It lasts up to 5 hours. It pretty much lasts about 5 hours, I would say. And it has a rechargeable case. The rechargeable case is really good. It has Bluetooth 5.0 enabled and up to 24 hours playback time. And this is how I look on the box. Say choose sport earbuds. It's a really good box. It comes with a USB charging cable, 3 sizes of ear tips, and 1 rechargeable case. And of course, 2 earbuds. You open it up, it had a nice case to it. When I opened it up, it looked like this. I mean, a really nice case to it. Closes up. I mean, almost make you want to keep the case, like the way it looks. Like you can put it back in there and close it up. But this is called the Heyday Sports True Wireless Sports Earbuds, and I got this from Target, ladies and gentlemen. So the case. The review, this is what y'all been waiting for, right? It looks like this, guys. It looks just like this. USB-C port right here. It comes with a cable. Open it up. It looks just like this, guys. When you open it up, you see it's fully charged right there. It lets you know right there that it's fully charged. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to test these out right here on this video. I'm about to test it out. Y'all can see how I actually sound. See, it just hooked up just now. Both of them are connected, so y'all can hear me. It's loud and clear now. Y'all should get a pair of these. They're very good. The model number is TT2108. In case you want to order it online, that's the model number, TT2108. Like I said, I got me a pair from Target, ladies and gentlemen. I got it when it was on sale. They originally were $47, but I know that these are worth it for sure. You should get a pair of these, ladies and gentlemen. Thank y'all for watching Super Album TV. Until next time, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you for watching.